Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you've subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button that says subscribe, there's a little bell for notifications. I've already kind of like shuffle these cards up a little bit here, just to save a bit of time really. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the deck down, we're going to cut the cards into two, and we are going to sort of find a card which you are going to have. Yeah, does that make sense? Makes sense? So let's go from there. We say that's your card there. I won't look at it. You won't look at it. We'll just leave it there. Yep. And then we do that. So, oops, and pick up that card there. So now what we're now going to do is we're going to start dealing all the cards out into two little piles. And what this card trick is doing is finding the soulmate to the card that we've got over there. So a soulmate could be like the Queen of Clubs and the Queen of Hearts, or it could be the Three of Diamonds and the Three of Hearts, the Jack of Spades and the Jack of Clubs, that sort of thing. Do you get what I mean? So that's what we're trying to find. We're trying to find the soulmate of that card which is hidden under the box, which I'm not looking at. So I've nearly got the cards all dealt. I'll straighten these up again in a minute. Bump, bump, bump. Right, so let me just straighten those up there. I won't look at them. Straighten them up there, and we'll straighten them up there. So now I've done that, now let's see if I can find, there's the soulmate. Let's see if I can see which one the soulmate is in. I think it's in that one there. So we'll put that over there, and we'll do the same again. We'll deal the cards out again, so we can see if we can find the soulmate to card that's under the box. And again, what I'll do is once I've finished dealing them into two, I'll straighten them up. And then see if I can then do it. So, let's see. I think it's in that one there. So we'll leave that there. So we'll do the same again there. And let's see, oops, as it falls a little bit, let's see if I can find the soulmate there. I think it's in that deck. I think it's in that deck. Right, so I've only got a few little cards there. So let's see. I think your card is in there, that pile there. So if I'll put them over there for the minute. Right then. So there's three cards left. One of those is hopefully the soulmate to that card. Let's see. That one. That one. That one. So if I now move that, we shall now see if these two are soulmate cards. And if it is, that is magic. Now, the next part is even more magic. It's even more magic because let's see. How can I do this now? How can I do this? Let's put yours there, say, and mine there. Right. Now we got this little deck of cards here. If we say we'll do that, we'll put out that card there. Yeah. And you can see it's that. We'll wave that over there, like that. We'll wave that over there. We even cut the cards a few times. We'll wave that card over there, and as we then fan them out there, we can now see that they're all reds. They're all reds. That's pretty magic, isn't it? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So I'll put them down there, out of the way. So then you're thinking, well, okay, if they're all reds, they could be all blacks, yeah? Or all clubs. Let's just see. Are they all clubs? They're all clubs. That's pretty cool as well, isn't it? That is pretty cool. But then the coolest bit will be this one here now, isn't it? It's like, how can you do this one now? How can you do this one? Ooh, dear. Let's just do that, say, a little card cut there, yeah? So let's see if these is worked, as he works a little bit of magic there, and I spread them out there. Not only are they the same suit, but they are in order, from going up to down or down to up. I can't see because it's the other way around. And if that is the trick, then that is magic.